Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is another group of entries, and this first one is from Ada. She's the Paper Treasury here on YouTube and on Instagram. I saw this, I remember her posting this, and I was like, oh my gosh, like I just love the colors and like all the textures, but I didn't realize it was for me, so I'm super excited. Look at this, you guys. So she made like a band with some trim. These both look like Hobby Lobby trims, and look at this cute little unicorn on this wax seal. She's got a little doily, and you guys, she's always doing tutorials on little embellishment clusters, how to do this, so go follow her if you're not already. And look at this little ticket. I love this. Look at the little envelope right here. It's got the little pencil glued down. Like, look at this, you guys. So cute, girly. And it just, I think it slides off. Oh no, she glued it on. Let me sneak it out the top. She's got little shaker bits in the bottom. Look at this. Fun pastel confetti. Look at this, you guys. And then something else is in here. Oh, her little die cuts. Okay, now this is her note. I'm not going to read this note on my video. I love it, girly. Thank you so much. Cracking me up over here. Okay, so look at this, you guys. So she's like backed it on like chipboard kind of. Look at this, like Maggie Holmes paper. It's like super glossy. Or is this the front of the paper pad? And if that is, you are genius for using it. Okay, so this first, okay, let's look at this. This first one right here, she did a little page flag. I know she has a tutorial on stuff like this, you guys. Like I said, she's got her little gold thread right here. Hold on, camera. There we go. She's got her little gold thread right here. Look at the little die cuts peeping out. This is the Maggie Holmes little flower and what's this bird called? Peacock, yes. The paper behind, gorgeous, love it. Little vellum circles everywhere. Then this right here is like a little altered envelope, you guys. Look how tiny this is. It's so cute. All in love with as many things as possible. Yes, yes, yes. A little book die cut, love it. She's got her little sequins glued on right there. And this bottom one down right here, she's got this little ephemera piece. She's got her little sequin, I couldn't think of the word, her sequins glued down with my whole heart, the little Maggie Holmes swan, little gems all puffed up on like dimensional tape. Super cute, girly. And you get the bag. That could have been your embellishment. Oh, what's this? Little die cut maybe? Or maybe that fell off somewhere. Floral stems. Oh, look at this. So these are her die cuts. And girl, you got it so I can't even get them out. Look at the sequins. Super pretty sequins. So she's got little like doily style ones. Cute little pink ones. Love that polka dot one. Little balloons. Little leaf. Yes. Some more leaves. Little heart. And I love this little flower right here. It's like very Maggie Holmes. Super cute, girly. Super cute, girly. Thank you for playing. This next one is from Stephanie. She is Paper Bits and Fabric Snips on Instagram. And this is her entry. That was her little card. So look how cute. She made these little mini, like award style embellishments. So cute with the little rosettes. The little page flags at the bottom for the fins. Love the cheetah print background. And then at the top, she's got the paper folded over. Bling flags, layered ephemera pieces, and these are all like what's the word, epoxy. Like she must have die cut it or fussy cut it and then put the epoxy piece on there. So cute. And it's like glittered, gold glitter epoxy. And then this one, oh, she's got these cute little like fabric clusters. Such a good idea. The little leaves. I love the little love die cut. She's got the little mailbox, says love mail. She even have the tickets up here on the bag topper. And I love this little cassette. Look how cute that is. And a little rainbow. She's got the little foam flower going on. This is so cute, Stephanie. And then she's labeled this one die cuts. She's got the little Maggie Holmes flower. Look at, ooh, look at this glitter palm leaf. So pretty. She's got the little United States in mint. Here's another Maggie Holmes and these palm leaves. Oof, I got big things for these guys. Love that rose gold paper, the little stars. Love that white. I love white glitter. Something about white glitter, just so simple yet does a lot. Cute little like wreath style die. Ooh, look at this one. Yes, yes. Love, love, love. Ooh, look at this rose gold one. The States. Flower. And then we got these little frames right here. And then look at these little banners that you could easily make embellishments and layering with. So, so cute. Little hearts cut out in that Hobby Lobby paper. So cute, girly. Thank you for cutting all that out. You guys, this bin is getting cray-cray. I need another bin. Next is from West Coast Crafty Babe. And this is her entry right here. Got her little die cuts. So she made these and then even more pastel ones, but these were fine, girl. So she made these cute little mini envelopes. Well, they're like not the tiny, tiny ones, but they're like a good size. Look at that cute little wood, like, wreath shaped like a heart. She's got the cute little bow. Look at her little shaker bits in there, shaped as leaves. She's got the little gems everywhere. She's got washi peeping out. Love. And then this one right here, again with the washi, cute little bow. Look at that butterfly. And it goes all the way up to the top of the envelope. And then look at the top. Oh, look at this. Has like art detailing in it. So she's got these cute little bag topper. Oh my gosh, look at this dragonfly. I just noticed him. And then the little trim at the bottom. So cute. Love, love, love. And then she made these ones as well. Look at this. She got shaker bits. Look at this like rosette die shaped like a heart. And she's got a heart-shaped crepe paper rosette, a heart-shaped like glittery tulle, all sorts of hearts on here. She stickled up this, not stickled, Winka-Stella'd up that flower, and then a little word sentiment right here underneath that leaf. That won't fall down. Then this one says wonderful. She's got little die cuts peeping out, again with the 3 different layers of hearts. So, so pretty. Love all the shimmer and shine and glitter. And again, she did the topper with the little trim and the, look at the dainty little dragonfly. So, so cute. Ooh, Nature's Garden. Look at these butterflies. They're like super deep. Look at, they got eyes, antennas. Look at the little paint on all the wings. So cute. Thank you for sharing with me. And then this, she's included a little 9-piece sticker set. Be creative. Oh, I love this. I love crafting. Yes, I do. And I can't wait to craft again. I'm like really getting the itch to craft, you guys, like, because I can't. Because my room is under dust construction. Okay, and then these are her die cuts. Look at these. Ooh, look at this rose die, you guys. Very intricate and pretty. Look at this little scalloped heart. Oh, these were the insides. Look at these ones. Ooh, look at this heart right here. Look at these. Very pretty. Ooh, yes. Like. Thank you. The next one is from Susan Quinn. She's SueBear144 on Instagram. And this is what she sent. It's in this little box. Look at this little fun shred. I was like, okay, I gotta show you guys the shred. And the cute little pom-poms everywhere. So, so cute. And these little embellishments are like leaves with, hold on, and I already read her card, so I took that out. Look, girly. So many goodies, you guys. Okay, so this first one, I'll start with this packaging. She's got the little teacup with the flowers, the light of my life, and she's got this layered multiple times with 3 different trims. So, so pretty. Okay, and then this, we got crepe paper rosette with some tulle, little die cuts centered around, even puffed up. Ooh, I love the addition of the little pom-poms on the embellishments. I always forget how to use these pom-poms, and it's like, just add it to an embellishment, and it makes it that much cuter. Cute little, I think this is Willow Lane. I think so. I don't know. Together, I haven't really played with my Willow Lane yet. So cute. And then next, she made these, let me see if I can take one out. This is such a good idea because I have foam flowers and I was thinking of another way I could use them. Look, well, she's got little shaky bits. So she's got the foam flower on top of like a layered piece of tulle, like 2 different colors tulle. Can you guys see this? There's a pink one and then a gold one with spots on it. Some eyelash trim just hanging and dangling, and then a die cut leaf. Like, look how embellished that is, and it's so dainty and pretty. I love this idea. And she sent me 4 of them, you guys. Pink and white ones. With the cute little bow, Alina Craft bag topper. So So cute, Susan. Then this next one, she's got some more crepe paper rosettes. Again, yes, this is Willow Lane. This is Willow Lane die cuts. Now that I see this little panda bear. She got crepe paper cringed up. Look at the little top. So cute. Okay, so this one, she's got the tulle in the background, polka dot tulle, it looks like. Or star tulle. Where'd you get that? Or what is that sequins maybe? I don't know. Maybe you glued the sequins on there first. I'm not sure. The little pom-poms on there. Look how sparkly these are, you guys. So cute. And next, she sent a little goodie. It looks like a little paper pad note. Let's see. This is what her note was on. It was a piece of paper like this. Look how cute. All sorts of different, what's it called? Patterns? Designs, I should say. Not patterns. And it's super thin. It's like, you know, like a piece of paper would be. Oh my gosh, look at the cats down there. So cute. Thank you. Totally write notes on these. Whoops. And then this, these are die cuts. These must be her die cuts. So she's got some little trim clipped on with a little bulldog nose paper clip with a little doily with the die cuts at the top. Be happy and bright. And I don't know. This might be pinned on or glued on. Let's see. Yeah, it's glued on. Okay, so I can enter through the bottom. So cute. Oh, look at this. Ooh, look at this little gold deer. I like the size of this deer head. Super cute. These little leaves. These are what she made her foam flowers with, so now I can make some. And then she's got these cute little, like, people wrap, like, trim and stuff around these. Super cute little gold and, like, metallic, almost like a giraffe print. Super cute. Then we have these. Oh, these are the little, like a strawberry crate. I don't know if that's the right word. See how it has the slits right here in here? And then you fold it and assemble it. Yes, that's totally, I think that's the name for it. Strawberry crate or milk carton maybe? No, I don't know. No, not milk carton. Strawberry crate. Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much, Susan. Okay, you know what? And that'll be it for this video. I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye, guys.